A day after the budget was presented, Parliament was in chaos on Wednesday. The opposition protested, claiming the budget is discriminatory. Meanwhile, leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi met with the farmer leaders in Parliament, assuring them he would push for the legalization of MSP. There was political drama in today's Parliament proceedings. Let's dive right in. Leader of the opposition in Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi met with a delegation of 12 farmer leaders from Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Senior Congress leaders KC Venugopal and Dipender Singh Hooda along with other MPs also attended the meeting. Initially, there was confusion as the farmers were not allowed inside the parliament premises.
उनको पूछना पड़ेगा। हमने यहाँ इनवाइट किया था अपने ऑफिस में मिलने के लिए, तो यहाँ कहा गया है कि उनको अंदर नहीं आने देंगे, शायद क्योंकि वो किसान हैं इसलिए यहाँ अंदर अलाउ नहीं कर रहे हैं, तो बाहर मिल लेंगे।
Following the meeting, Gandhi assured the farmers that the India bloc would pressure the government to legalize MSP.
गठबंधन के बाकी लीडर्स हैं, उनसे हम ये डिस्कशन करेंगे और फिर सरकार पर दबाव डालने की कोशिश करेंगे कि लीगल गारंटी MSP लीगल गारंटी हिंदुस्तान के किसानों को मिले।
On the second day of the monsoon session, there was a clear divide as the government supported the budget while India bloc leaders criticized it. In the upper house of parliament, Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge called the budget a Kursi Bachao budget, accusing Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman of focusing on Bihar and Andhra Pradesh while ignoring other states. Protesting against it, the opposition staged a walkout but returned to the house within minutes as Sitharaman was responding to Kharge's charge. Union Finance Minister also responded to the charges of Kharge and said that these allegations are outrageous. The discussion on Budget 2024 in Lok Sabha saw a sharp exchange between Speaker Om Birla and Trinamool Congress MP Abhishek Banerjee. During the heated session, Banerjee was interrupted by Speaker Birla while discussing demonetization, noting that the event occurred in 2016. Banerjee replied to the Speaker in this way.
Counterfeit notes increased by 10.7% in 22, with fake 500 rupees note rising to 101.93% and 2000 rupees note by 54%. Sadly, 130 fellow Indians lost their lives due to heat and the strain of standing in long queues, falling victim to this eccentric decision. That's why we say E for eccentric. Now I come to the last letter. Sir, T. T for tragedy.
माननीय सदस्य
T for tragedy.
माननीय सदस्य आप वर्तमान बजट पे बोले 2016 के बाद तो 2019 नहीं।
सर मैं
जवाहरलाल नेहरू का बात वो लोग बोलेगा।
सर
जवाहरलाल नेहरू का बात वो लोग बोलेगा।
कोई 60 साल पहले जवाहरलाल नेहरू का बात करेगा, दूसरे नेताओं का बात करेगा, तब आप कुछ नहीं बोलेंगे।
सब बोलते
मैं
हैं।
5 साल पहले का डिमोनेटाइजेशन का बात करूंगा तो आप कहेंगे भाई वर्तमान इशू पे बोलिए।
बजट
सर ये
बजट पे।
पक्षपात नहीं चलेगा सर।
बजट पे
मैं बजट पे ही बोल रहा हूँ। जब विप्लव देव बोल रहा था तब 100 साल पुराना बात कर रहा था, 50 साल पुराने इमरजेंसी का बात कर रहा था, तब आप चुप थे, और अब मैं डिमोनेटाइजेशन का बात कर रहा हूँ, आपको चुप रहे। वाह वाह सर वाह।
बोलिए अपनी बात पे।
The opposition staged a protest inside and outside the parliament on Wednesday, alleging discrimination against non-NDA states in the Union Budget 2024. Members of the India bloc protested outside the parliament building at the Makar Dwar and raised slogans during question hour in Lok Sabha. MP shouted, "Modi government shame shame," arguing that the budget favored states ruled by the BJP and its allies.
No, we are protesting very simply about the fact that there is so much discrimination in the budget against every other state other than Andhra and Bihar. So the country has 28 states and 8 union territories. You cannot skew all your grants only to 2 states. And this kind of injustice is being protested. Every MP is holding up something involving their own state and pointing out that this is completely unjust.